Okay, so here's the result of, believe it or not, 2 hours of work. This is my lock cylinder, which was Larry's. Well, cylinder is here. And this is obviously the entire assembly. And this is the used one I bought off of eBay. The lock cylinder here, you probably can't see this. There is a spring right here with a little tab that sticks up. So that's under pressure from the spring. And there's a little door that slides. It has tabs. It inserts there and over here. And this door is right here. I don't know how well this is showing up. It's very thin. It's a millimeter in thickness. Probably half a millimeter. The metal tab in Larry's was even thinner than that. So that metal tab was stuck down in here. It was sort of in this position, down in this slot. So the key would only go into this slot about halfway because it was butting against the end of this. That's why my cylinder didn't turn. Anyway, I got it all back together here. And here's my key. Take this off, which is easier said than done. Okay, there's that. And this is the way it sits as you're in the driver's seat facing it. And as you'll see, this now fits all the way in. Before, it only went in about that far and it wouldn't turn it. It needs to go all the way down, and then voila, it turns, and I can't press the button. It is locked. Turn it back to the unlock position, and now I can press the button. So that's it. I didn't need to buy this at all. And I certainly didn't need a new lock cylinder. You can see the little metal tab here. It's like a little, I call it a door. When you put the key in, sorry about my fingers. The door gets pushed out of the way, but when you remove the key, the spring that's underneath it pushes that door back up so that it's flush with this cap. The only thing that's keeping that door and the spring and the little rod that the spring rides on in this is this cap. If this cap comes off, that spring's gonna go flying. But that's it. I guess I'll keep this replacement. What I can't figure out is how to actually remove the lock cylinder from this entire assembly. I took the blue bottom piece out. Here's the locking thing. But still, I can't get this. I can't get this assembly out, or the lock cylinder out. On mine, the blue bottom piece here is a little loose. Now, I think once I install this back into the console, that rests against a molded piece on the console, so it's probably all right. Again, this was busted before I even took possession of the car. Well, that's it. $40 down the drain, maybe. I could maybe try to stick it back on eBay. Whatever. Had I bought this at any dealership, I was looking at about, I think probably $80 with shipping was as lowest I could find it, so whatever. I paid some stupid tax. See ya.